Hello everyone, peace of Christ to all. Today we will continue our Arabic class and we will continue taking more letters. We will try to finish them as fast as we can. I'm giving you time so you can learn those letters, practice them, and because remember, language is based in letters. If you don't remember them, you are learning nothing. So we took the first letter, Alif, and Ba, and Ta, and Tha, and Ja, Ha, Kha, Da, and actually now we will take Da, sorry, and we will take Da and Ra and Za. And maybe we'll take Sin, Sa. See, Arabic letters, as we said, they have names. So like I say, Sin, Sa, Sin. But don't worry about those things because you will not use them. Later, when you get more advanced, you can add them to your memory and you can memorize them. But I don't want you to get too many things to confuse you. Like you might say, this letter is Sa or Sin. Sin is a name for the letter by itself, as simple as that. You will not use it, you will not say it. So later you can add it to your memory. So now let us go and see the letter Da and Tha and Ra and Za. Let us go down. This is letter Da, as you see in the front of your eyes by itself. However, letter Da is one of those letters which we learned they don't accept connection. Alright, now we gave you 5 letters. Actually there is one letter I did not mention because that one will not change anything in writing, which is the letter which is considered as letter, which is the Hamza. This one here is called Hamza. This one always is disconnected. There is no left, there is no right. However, this one is not important for now. We will take it later, and it doesn't make any problem about connection. Hamza have its own problems, let us say, because people, they might get confused about where to put it. Later we will teach you that. So for now we will focus on those letters which we said. Those, we took this one already. Today actually we are going to have 4 letters which don't accept any connection from the left at all. So those always have to be free from the left side. Remember that there is no connection from the left side, from here. I'm putting the red line so you know that this is not connected. You cannot connect from this one. Alright, so those letters cannot connect from the left side. Anytime you see them anywhere, it doesn't matter, you don't connect to the left. Very simple. You can connect them from the right. Let us change the color. You can connect them from the right. No problem. Alright? From the left now. Let us continue for the letters we will learn today and see how easy it is. Letter Da by itself and letter Da in the beginning. Letter Da in the beginning is the same. All those letters who they cannot connect from the left, when they are in the beginning, they look the same when they are by itself. Why? Because they are not connected. This is why they go. Remember, we say when they are by themselves, they go to original. So when they are in the beginning, they cannot be connected from the left, so they still look the same as if they are by themselves. This is how it is connected when it is in the middle. And remember, when we say in the middle, does not mean it is the middle. It's mean it is not the first letter. Doesn't matter how many letters after that. So if we are writing a letter here, if we are writing a word, and then let us say I will write the word Ha. Sorry, letter Ha. That will make the letter Ha and Da, make it Had. Had can have 2 meaning: sharp, or something like hot paper. When you eat it, you call it Had. So either like hot paper, you are talking about a taste, or you are talking about a sharp thing or the edge of a sword. So Had. I want to write another letter here. Let us say M, which means that will make it mad. Mad mean like, someone, he extended his arm, so you say madda, madda. All right, so you see how it is. You just connect, but if you have a letter after here, you don't connect because this letter does not accept connection, so you leave a space. You leave a space here, and then you write the letter after that. So let us see, the letter after the here is ba, so we write ba. Hadb. We leave a space because, as we said, the ra does not accept connection from the left. As simple as that. And that goes for all those letters who they don't accept connection. We leave a space, and then we write the letter after. So like here, let us say I have letter the, and I'm going to write a word. I will write the word Deeb. Deeb mean a wolf. So I will say Deeb. Here we go. This is a the. And notice with me how letter the, this one, how it's pronounced. The. It is the same as if you, like, you vibrate your tongue, as if you are hearing a fly next to your ear. The. So I will write now the word Deeb, which mean a wolf. Deeb, letter the, as we remember, does not accept connection from the left, so I have to leave a space here. I will put a red dot here to give you that this is here a space, empty space. So we move the letter a little bit and make a space, which means we don't connect. You do not need to make a long space between them, no. But just, I'm telling you, you cannot connect it. That's all. This red thing here, just to tell you, this is here disconnected for sure. All right. Now I'm going to continue writing the word Deeb. The second letter is ya. Yeah, I put two dots. And now letter ba, Deeb. I'm using my mouse, so the writing is not too much good. So Deeb, let me try to write with the pen. Deeb. Deeb mean wolf. So as you see here, we left a space in this area and we do not connect. Very simple. But remember how to pronounce the letter the. Don't be confused about the and za. Let me go back up so you can see what I'm talking about. You see here we have two letters. We have letter za, as if you are saying in English Z. You know, let us make it big. Za. This one is different here. This one here is the, as if you are biting your tongue. So your tongue will go to the edge of your mouth and you will vibrate your tongue very fast. The end of your tongue, right? The, as if it's a wing of a fly. The. All right. So this is the and this is za. When you might see people in YouTube teaching you that this is zai. Don't worry about it. Just remember it as za, because you will never use the what they call it zai. It just it will make you more confused. So it is za, and always will come as za, and always you will write it as za, and always you will pronounce it as da. So why I want to remember zai? So this one is the. This one is za. All right. So now we took the and the, and now we will take ra. Let us go here. This is letter ra. Letter ra is the same as za in writing, but the difference is this one have a dot in the top, as you see. You see the dot here? This one, there is a dot. While the letter ra does not have a dot. So this is ra, it look exactly, both of them, they look the same. This one look exactly the same as this one. The only difference is that this one have a dot in the top. The Ra does not have a dot in the top. It's a plain writing letter. And what Ra present, same as letter R in English. Alright? So you say run, run, Ra, Ra, run. Alright? So za is the same as letter Zain, Z in English, no different. Now let us write a word here. As you see, all those letters who they are considered from the 6 letters which we cannot connect from the left, they have the same rules. We cannot connect from the left. They are the same as the rest. Always you have to leave a space when you are going to continue writing the rest of the word. And always we have this little tail to connect to them here if there is a letter before them to connect. If it is at the beginning, we don't connect it, the letter will come by itself as we see here. So letter Ra will be written Ra like this, and letter Za will be written like this. We have a dot, and that's it if they are in the beginning. Why they will look like this in the beginning? Because as we said, they don't accept connection from here, from the left. Alright, let us continue. Give you maybe 2 more letters for this video. Letter Sa, same as the letter Sun, Samsung. And this is how it is written in the beginning. You will see it has 3 edges. If you look with me, you will see there's 3 edges. 1 edge, 2 edge, 3 edge, and that will make Sa, which means when you write the letter Sa, it's always you have to show those 3 edges. If you write only 1 edge, that is not Sa. Alright? People will not understand that this is Sa. You have to write 3 edges. Otherwise, you are not writing Sa. Now, if you look with me, letter Sa is the same as other letters. This letter accepts connection from the right and from the left. So what we do when we connect, you'll notice with me, all those letters have a tail. When we connect them, we cut the tail, which means this part is gone. You see this part, the curve is gone when we connected here. Where is the thing is gone? So we keep the 3 edges. See, the Sa and the Sha is the same, and we connect from the right and the left. Edge from here and connection from here. If it is at the end, we just little tail from here and little tail for here to connect with the letter before it. So Sa and Sha. Sa and Sha. I will write for you a word contain both letters. Let us see how it's going to be. So let us write the word Shams. Shams means sun. Sun. You know the sun in the sky, the star. So look, the Sha have what? 3 dots. This is letter, first letter is Sha, Shams. So 3 dots. Letter Sin does not have dots. It is just 3 edges. So we say, write it again. Shams. This is letter M. We did not take it yet. So Shams. You notice we cut the curve of letter Sha because there's a connection. We delete the, but at the end, letter Sa keep having its own shape as letter S. Why? Because as we said, all letters at the end of the word, they come back to the original shape. Remember that rule. Even if there's connection, even if there's a little tail here, it doesn't matter. Alright? they go back to original shape. So if the letter at the end is ja, is going to be like this. This is ja. The only difference is there's a little tail here to connect with the letter before it. Now sometime it can be there's no connection. Why? Because the letter before it, it can be a letter that does not accept a connection. Like let us say letter before it is ra. So ra does not accept connection with left, so ja will come like this. Alright? So I think I gave you enough for today to